Let's start with the Term 2 syllabus of 11th Computer Science. So this is given by CBSE. Now let us see what is there in Term 2. So this is your Term 2 syllabus, Unit 2, Computational Thinking and Programming. In this you will learn about list. What is list? Introduction, indexing, list operations, that is concatenation, repetition, membership and slicing, traversing a list using loops, built-in functions, len, list, append, extend, insert, count, index, remove, pop, reverse, sort, sorted, min, max, sum, nested lists. Suggested programs are finding the maximum, minimum, mean of numeric values stored in a list, linear search on list of numbers and counting the frequency of elements in a list. Next topic is tuples, in which introduction, what is tuple, indexing, tuple operations, concatenation, repetition, membership and slicing, built-in functions, len, tuple, count, index, sorted, min, max, sum, tuple assignment, nested tuple, suggested programs finding the minimum, maximum, mean of values stored in a tuple, linear search on a tuple of numbers, counting the frequency of elements in a tuple. Next topic is dictionary, introduction, accessing items in a dictionary using keys, mutability of dictionary, adding a new item, modifying an existing item, traversing a dictionary, built-in functions, len, dict, keys, values, items, get, update, del, clear, from keys, copy, pop item, set default, max, min, count, sorted, copy. Suggested programs count the number of times a character appears in a given string using a dictionary, create a dictionary with names of employees, their salary and access them. Next is introduction to Python modules, importing module using import module and using from statement. So from also we will learn importing math module, that is pi, e, square root, ceil, floor, pow, fab, sine, cos, tan, random module, random, randint, randrange, statistics module, mean, median, mode. Now all these questions will be asked in your 12th class also, so you have to understand each and every topic nicely. Next year in 12th class 12 term 1 exam, from this topic most of the questions are asked. Now unit 3 is society, law and ethics, digital footprints, digital society, netizen, net etiquettes, communication etiquettes, social media etiquettes, data protection, intellectual property right, copyright, patent, trademark, violation of IPR, plagiarism, copyright infringement, trademark infringement, open source of softwares and licensing, Creative Commons, GPL and Apache. Cybercrime, definition, hacking, eavesdropping, phishing and fraud emails, ransomware, preventing cybercrime, cyber safety, safely browsing the web, identity protection, confidentiality, cyber trolls and bullying, safely accessing websites, malware, viruses, trojans, adware, e-waste management, proper disposal of used electronic gadgets, IT Act, Indian Information Technology Act, technology and society, gender and disability issues while teaching and using computers. So this is your term 2 syllabus. You can go through the practicals also, term 1 and term 2 practicals. Marks distribution is given here and the practical list is also given to you. So this list we will practice of term 2. So this from NCERT book we will start preparing for term 2 and the support materials on the CBSE website. So I think this is clear now. You can see in class 12 the complete revision portion, that is of class 11 Python, will be asked. So you have to understand these topics nicely. Syllabus is easy. So let us start with term 2 syllabus.